Action.
We did one step inequalities. Example 1 was negative 3x is less than or equal to 12. Then we divided by 3 to both sides, and we got x is greater than equal to negative 4. And we swapped the signs because we divided by a negative. Right?
And then for problem number 2.
Wait, explain the graph.
It was a closed circle because it was like,
Because there's a line under it.
yeah, because there's a line under it.
Awesome.
Okay. And then it pointed to the right because everything's greater than negative.
Great.
So question number 2, x plus 3 is greater than 5. We subtracted 3 on both sides, and then we ended up having x is greater than 2. And then for the graph, since it was x was greater than, we left the circle open, and we did the arrow to everything that's greater than 2.
Okay. Problem number 3 was 6 is greater than negative 3 plus a. Added 3 to both sides and came up with 9 is greater than a. And then we flipped it to get a is less than 9. It was an open circle pointing to the left because those are numbers less than.
Fantastic. And go.
Okay. Alright, so we did, oh, good morning. Yes. So we did 2-step inequalities. And so number 1 is 4x plus 37 is...
That's a 3, baby. Plus 3 is greater than negative 9.
Okay, 4x plus 3 is greater than negative 9. Okay, so then you would subtract 3 right here on both sides to get 4x is greater than negative 12. And then you divide by 4 on both sides and get x is greater than negative 3. And when you graph it, you do the number, and then you put it over negative 3. And it's an open circle because there's no line under it, and it goes that way because it points that way.
That way. Yeah.
Our number 2.
Number 2? Okay, you go ahead.
Number 2 was negative 138 plus 5 is less than 7. We subtracted 5 on both. We subtracted 5 on both sides of the sign, which canceled out 5, and we got negative 138 is less than 2, and we multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which is negative 3, and got b is greater than negative 6. And when you're graphing it, it's an open circle shaded to the right, because it's greater than.
Fantastic.
And then number 3, are you going to do number 3? Alright, so number 3, right here, we have 16z plus 0.5 is less than or equal to negative 24. So then you would subtract.
That's a 6, not a 16.
That's another.
That's a 6. That's a 6.
That's a parentheses.
Okay. So that's 6. Scratch that. And then you subtract 0.5 on both sides to get 6z is less than or equal to negative 24. Negative 24.5 to get, and then you divide by negative, not negative. Then you divide by 6 and get z is less than or equal to negative 4.5. So then we graph it right here and do negative 4.5 with a closed circle because there is a line under it this time, and we point that way because the thing points that way.
Go.
Okay. Good morning. Now, I'm going to talk to you guys about multi-step distributed property.
Don't stand in front of the problems.
This is example number 1. 24 is 24 greater than negative 3 parentheses n plus 2. So first, we did distributive property. got negative 3n minus, negative 6. Then we brought down 24. Then we added 6, both sides. You don't do it with the variable because it has variable. So then you got 30 is greater than negative 3n. Then we divide it by negative 3, both sides. And we had to flip the sign because it was negative. And we got n is greater than negative 10.
Number 2, we had 3 parentheses x minus 6 plus 2, and is greater than or equal to 5x minus 4. First, you're going to distribute to get 3x minus 18 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 4. Then you're going to combine like terms to get 3x minus 16 is greater than or equal to. Then you're going to subtract 3x from both sides to get negative 16 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. You're going to add 4 to both sides to get negative 12 is greater than or equal to 2x. Then you're going to divide both sides by 2 to get negative 6 is greater than or equal to x. Then you have to flip it to get x is greater than or no, less than or equal to negative 6.
Oh, I ain't talking about number line. Open circle because it doesn't have a line under the inequality. Okay, this is example 3. So it's 2 parentheses 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 4x plus 6. So you get distributive property first. You got 6x minus 10 less than or equal to 4x plus 6. Then we subtracted 4x on both sides. And then got 2x minus 10 less than 6. Then we added 10 to both sides. We got 2x less than or equal to 16. Then we divided by 2. We got x is less than or equal to 8. Then on number line, we had closed because they had a line.
Okay.
I'm doing multi-step inequalities with variables on both sides. And for my first example, I did 3y plus 6 is less than or equal to 2y. And then first you have to minus 3y on both sides. You'll get 6 is less than or equal to negative 1y. And then you divide negative 1y on both sides. And then you get y is less than, oh, well, that's backwards.
You did it right.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, and then you get y is less than or equal to negative 6. Then you have to graph it. So you get the graph and you get the number line. And then you put it over negative 6 and it's a closed circle because it's greater than or equal to. And then it's less than, so you shade it to the left. And for the second one, I got 9 plus 2a.
Hey! That's what you get.
9 plus 2a is less than or equal to 3a. And then first you have to subtract 2a on both sides and you get positive 1a, or 9 is less than positive 1a. Then you divide, well you don't have to because it's just a if you think about it. So you get a is greater than 9, then you have to graph it, then you got to graph the numbers, and then it's open because it's not greater less than or greater equal to. So it's an open circle.
All right, let's let the girls do theirs now. Fantastic.
Okay, so we have the same thing as now. And the first problem is 4m minus 17 is less than 6m minus plus equal to 5. You would move the 17 to both sides, and this cancels out, and this adds up to 42. You would move everything down, and then you would move 6m to both sides, and then you would get negative 2m is less than 42, and then you would divide negative 2 on both sides, and you flip the sign, and you get m is greater than
Negative 20.
Fantastic.
Everybody who wants
And there's
to
all of
say
y'all's examples. Saxon complained. Awesome.
Saxon Plain made his own group, made it better.
Ooh,
They have harder problems.
this. Y'all just got
And go.
Before we start this, follow me on Snapchat.
Oh my
so
God.
today we did compound inequalities, and for the ends we did divided by 2 is less than 2x, which is less than 10 plus 3. And then we got, hold up. He did in his head. So how are we gonna explain that? I don't know.
You just divide,
So then he would have divided by 2.
but not before combining like.
Yeah, combine like terms there.
Mm-hmm.
And then you would end up with x is greater than 1.25 and is less than 6.5.
Yes. Here we got
Patrick
that
did that
correct.
one.
Patrick Cheney Johnson. For the ors,
Alright, so the or's over here.
we did 5x plus 6 is less than negative 6, or negative 3x plus 3 is less than negative 2.
And then you would subtract 3 over here.
We subtract 3 over here.
And
then
get
we
this.
And we got this right here.
And then divide by negative 3.
Divide by negative 3, and we got x is greater than 1.6. And over here, we divided by 5.
We subtracted 6, then divided by 5.
So we subtracted 6, divided by 5. And we got x is less than
Negative 2.4.
negative 2.4.
Fantastic.